This powerful dual-purpose welder and generator from Klutch provides welding capabilities and auxiliary power to handle a wide variety of applications. It's powered by a 14-horsepower Kohler air-cooled engine with recoil starter. The smooth 60 to 170 amp DC weld output delivers high-performance arc welding to weld steel, stainless steel, cast iron, hard surfacing, and aluminum, and it can weld up to 3/8 inch steel in a single pass. The 6,000 watt AC output delivers the power you need at the job site, with a 5-gallon fuel tank to give you up to 8 hours of operation on a single fill. It features two 120-volt duplex power receptacles and one 240-volt twist-lock power receptacle with built-in circuit breakers to protect your equipment. Plus, you can easily maneuver it around your shop or garage with the wheelbarrow-style running gear. It also includes a 12-foot ground cable and clamp and an 18-foot electrode cable and holder. Get two powerful uses in one unit with this dual-purpose welder and generator from Klutch.